A very good morning to all of you. So today I have come up how to introduce the concept of vowels to the kids. So it's a very simple method that I used. First what I did is that I just took few cards in which I wrote the five vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. And I told a story to my daughter that there are five important people in the when we are learning the alphabets and letters. There are five important people. So who are the important people? They are A, E, I, O, U. So these people are very very important, so you have to remember them. Okay, so and with the fingers also I told her, like A, E, I, O, U. So in this way I introduced the concept of vowels, as they are of the age of 3.5, means the child, when the child is around 3.5 or 4 years, so they easily remember, and when we tell them the story they always remember it better, because whenever I told, okay, who are the important people, you can tell me, so they remember that is A, E, I, O, U. So regularly for few days we have to tell them that orally. After that what you can do is, so these are the cards that I had made for Naika when she was learning the alphabets and all those. So what you can do is you can play the game for with them, like is this a important person? Yes, this is the important person. Is this the important person? No, this is not the important person. So in this way also we can play with them and they will enjoy the game, and that is also a very nice way of making them remember this important or the vowels. We can start with, so the first worksheet is basically we can start with coloring activities. So the first one, what I did, I have just drawn a caterpillar and I have told them to write. You ask them to write the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So they can fill this caterpillar with the vowels. The second activity is a very interesting one. Here they are doing two things. So color the pictures, which starts with vowels. So now first thing that what they have to do is that they have to write the initials. Here they are learning the beginning sounds along with recognition of vowels. So here they have to tell, okay, this one I, so starts with I. First, so the first thing what we have to do with them is that we have to ask them to write the initial or beginning sounds of these all pictures. After they have written the beginning sounds, then they can recognize, oh, this starts with I, so this is a vowel. This starts with B, so this is not a vowel. This starts with E, so this is a vowel. So this starts with O, so this is a vowel. So this is the way you are going to make them do this activity. And after that you can ask them to color. They enjoy coloring, so it will be a very fun activity for them. The third one is, as I always tell, that at this age when we gave them to trace or draw, then they learn more, and their skills, their drawing skills improve, their writing and sketching skills also improve. So here what I do, either you can just give the empty boxes for them to draw any thing that starts with the A vowel, E, then I, O, U, or you can just draw or make the dotted pictures of this and they can trace it. As Anaika likes tracing, so I have just made it dotted way. The next one is that join the vowels only. So here I have given consonants or vowels both. So you can ask them to only join the vowels A, E, then they will take it and come U, O, I. So this becomes a repetition and practice for the child. So this is a very nice activity too. As I told that children love coloring, so what you can do is that you can write, and here I have written in both uppercase and lowercase, so that this also becomes a dual activity of identifying the uppercase and lowercase both. So I have written both. So and I have mixed up uppercase, lowercase of all the vowels and consonants. So they have to find out if it is A, so they have to color it as pink color. If it is E, they have to color it. If it is E, then they have to color it purple. So this is the method in which you are going to ask the child to do. And really the child will love to do this because they love, and it is also making them a color coordination is also here, which is also there. That element is also there. So let them do it in this way. They love this kind of activities. The next one is identify the vowels and color them. So here what they have to do, I have written the words. Now as my daughter also have learned recognizing the words, So I have written the words, and you can ask the child. If your child does not know how to read the words, still at least the child can identify the vowels. So here you have to just ask them, okay, A and T, which is a vowel here? A is a vowel here. So take any color and just color the vowel. So here P-I-G. So which is a vowel here? So I is the vowel here. So this is the method that you are going to use for the child in this activity. The last activity is pick the vowels and write. So here it is a written activity. After now, till now, I was just using coloring activities. So now just we can ask them to write the vowels. For example, F-A-T. So which is the vowel here? A. So the child will write here A. Which is the vowel here? O-R-A-N-G-E. Let the child understand that there are three vowels. We do not only use one vowel, but we use more than one vowels when we write a word. So here, first O, then A, then E. If the child is confused, you can ask the child to first color the vowels here in the word, and then the child can write it. So this is a very simple activity, but I feel it is very, very effective.